Hey, it's Legends here back with another video. This time around, I have a solution to a problem that some of you may have. So if you got the event car, which is the new Mercedes, that 500E, the W124, and your lights, so your running lights are not turning on like this, you're not getting the yellow lights, you're not getting headlights at all, I'm just going to give you guys a quick solution in this video. So they dropped an update patch. So that's the first thing you will do. You can check that. They dropped a patch where they fixed some of the bugs, and this is one of them included. So your lights should be working. But the second stage to this is how to get them to turn on when you're in a lobby or you're in a single player world. It doesn't just turn on by itself when you spawn in. So I'm gonna give an example. So when I'm here in the main menu, the lights are not on, as you can see. In this recent update patch, if you click this and you click ride car, you will see when you turn around that the lights come on by themselves. But when you go back, and let's say you go into a world, let me go to the Nürburgring for example, just a quick example, but it's going to be any room, whether single player or multiplayer. So I'm going to let this load in. I'm not going to cut the clip so you guys can see the full transition. So here we are. Let me put this in park real quick. You turn around, the running lights are not on. So what you got to do is you just turn the car off with the key. That's the key icon right here. So you shut it down and then you turn it back on, and now the lights pop up. So for cars with running lights that got updated models and stuff like that, you just turn the keys off and turn it back on, and every one of those cars, the daytime running lights will come on, and the regular headlights now work for the cars too. I don't know why they have this patch here. You see that right there? That wasn't in there in the beta. They fixed it, but now it seems to be back. In order to get rid of that, you're gonna have to hop out of your car. So while the headlight is on, to get rid of that weird looking light curve, you hop out and you can see it disappeared. So now that it is gone, you can hop back in your car. Sometimes this bugs out the shadow of your car in multiplayer. It depends, but that generally fixes the light issue right here. So yeah, let me know which other problems you may face. I might try to make a video on it. And yeah, that's it for this one, a short one. Take care and see you in the next one.